Hey there. Imagine a world without Coca-Cola. Pretty hard, right? This fizzy drink has been part of our lives for over a century, so pull up a chair and let's dive into the fascinating journey of Coca-Cola. It all started back in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia. John Pemberton, a pharmacist, created a unique syrup that he mixed with carbonated water, selling it for just 5 cents a glass. Little did he know this concoction would become a global sensation. Fast forward to 1892, and Asa Candler, a savvy businessman, took over the company. He had a knack for marketing and started plastering Coca-Cola logos everywhere, on walls, calendars, and even bookmarks. This was the beginning of Coca-Cola's iconic branding. Now let's talk about the early 1900s. During this time, Coca-Cola faced numerous imitations. To stand out, the company decided to create a distinctive bottle. Enter the contour bottle in 1915. Its unique shape became instantly recognizable and protected the brand from copycats. Jumping to the 1920s, Coca-Cola took a bold step. They launched an international expansion, setting up bottling plants in Canada, Cuba, and Panama. This was just the beginning of their global reach. The 1930s brought us the Great Depression, but Coca-Cola was undeterred. They introduced six-packs and vending machines, making it easier for people to enjoy the drink. And let's not forget the introduction of Santa Claus in their ads. The jolly old man we know today was largely shaped by Coca-Cola's advertising. World War II was a challenging time, but Coca-Cola was there too. They promised to supply every U.S. soldier with a Coke for just 5 cents, no matter where they were stationed. This move massively boosted the brand's popularity and loyalty. The 1950s and 60s were years of innovation. Coca-Cola introduced new packaging like cans and expanded their product line with Fanta and Sprite. They also launched memorable ad campaigns like "It's the real thing and I'd like to buy the world a Coke," which resonated with people worldwide. As we moved into the late 20th century, Coca-Cola faced competition from Pepsi, leading to the infamous Cola Wars. This rivalry pushed Coca-Cola to innovate even more, leading to the introduction of Diet Coke in 1982 and the controversial New Coke in 1985. The backlash was intense, but it showcased the strong emotional connection people had with the original formula. Entering the 21st century, Coca-Cola continued to evolve. They embraced digital marketing, launched eco-friendly initiatives, and expanded their portfolio with healthier options like Coke Zero and various fruit drinks. Today, Coca-Cola is more than just a beverage. It's a symbol of refreshment, happiness, and a shared global culture. So there you have it, the incredible journey of Coca-Cola over the past century. From a small pharmacy in Atlanta to becoming a worldwide icon, Coca-Cola has truly stood the test of time. Next time you take a sip, remember the rich history behind that refreshing taste. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.